Alright, I'm going to pick up where I left off, which was going over how to add this button and the join discussion. And we do that by using the insert more tag. So let's go to our photograph example. Let's go ahead and add that to that example just to show you another one. So we go to our portfolio, we're going to edit it, and then we're going to use the insert more tag. If you hover over the icons and wait, it'll tell you, what they actually are. So we're using the insert more tag. Let's click it. And what this does is two things. It's going to add that button, which says, watch now by default. And anything underneath the line won't display on the home page. And then once you've clicked on the actual post page, all of the content will display. So let's update this. We'll go back to our site just to show you it's working. So we go to watch now button. And the way that we can edit this is, two things. By default, if you don't have comments on your portfolio, this join discussion will end, will remove itself automatically, and that's because it's just kind of saying, come check out the comments. To edit the watch now text, you'll want to go into your theme options. So under appearance, theme options, and we're going to go and at the very bottom of the basic tab, we're in the basic tab, is homepage slider insert more button, and we can change that to, learn more. Let's say the options won't view that page, and now the buttons are learn more. So that's just kind of how to use that. Let's move on to the next slider. So we'll go under theme options, and this is the last slider, which is vertical slider with thumbnails. We'll select that one, save the options, and we'll get the vertical slider now with the options. Excuse me. So you might be wondering, well, how come there's no thumbnail here? And that's because we didn't set an image. And if you set a featured image, it'll automatically override the video. So what we're going to do is just upload an image to the post and not set it as a featured image. So let me show you that real quick. So we're going to go into our dashboard, go into portfolio, and then we're looking at the edit slide example. And then we're going to upload an image. So we use the image uploader, select our file. I have one on my desktop. So we're going to choose that, we'll upload it. And you won't select featured image. What you're going to do is just save your changes. And notice how it's in the gallery. And then we'll update that. Let's view our site now. And we'll now have a thumbnail and the video in the vertical slider. So it's really easy to use that. Another couple things that we can do are, let's say you wanted this click to not open up your portfolio post, but to go to another site. Let's go ahead and edit this post. By the way, it's a quick way if you want to find out, edit, or not look up the post, you can just open up the post page and click edit post at the top. So what we want to do is, let's open up, google.com. So we'll scroll down and go all the way to the bottom of the page option, or the portfolio post options. There's an external link. So let's go ahead and just type in google.com and then update this post. Let's go back to our portfolio, and now if you click on this one, it won't go to the post, it'll open up google.com. So it's really easy if you kind of want to link to different pages. If you use this like as a promo image or something, check out this page. You can just put in that page URL and link to that. And it's the same on any of the sliders. You can use that option. It's really nice. So let me just show you that real quick again. Under photograph example, you just scroll all the way to the bottom of the post, and there's an external link option, and you can just type one in. That's basically all the options for the featured slider. They have all the same options basically as a regular portfolio post, so it's really handy.